I'm James Baker. I work for Frazer Jones, a global market-leading HR recruitment business based in London. The first quarter of the year has been really positive for the human capital consulting business. We've seen a lot of activity across the board, and whilst January as a month was probably a little bit slow to start, February and March were particularly strong. Looking through that, one of the factors affecting it, we think, was the sort of activity from the M&A in the larger consulting firms who have been acquiring the smaller boutique organisations. This has led to a little bit more activity, a little more fluidity in those candidate pools. Whilst we continue to see demand across the HR change and transformation space from the larger firms, we have seen a lot of activity from the boutique and mid-sized consulting houses, particularly within the area of assessment, leadership development and coaching. So we're seeing some really positive sentiments both from organisations but also from individuals in the human capital market at the moment. We recently conducted a survey of several hundred human capital consulting professionals. Over 55% of the people who responded to the survey were actively looking for a new career opportunity, which insight-wise for us makes us feel that the market is positive, and I think really looking out certainly for the rest of the year puts the opportunities in human capital in a really good place. The outlook within human capital consulting for the rest of the year seems to be very strong at the moment. If we look to our larger organisations, the larger consulting firms, they are continuing to grow their headcount, continue to forge their numbers on that front. If we then move across to perhaps some of the more niche boutique firms, the assessment space seems to be a really active one at the moment, and that's very much driven by demand, large demand from organisations to hire those people and a small pool of talent available. Wider than that, probably if we look across the industry perspective, we've seen, unsurprisingly, a really cooling in the activity within the oil and gas space, but financial services still continues to be a very active and busy and buoyant market.